Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. I hope you all have enjoyed the Christmas and finally this year is coming to an end and New Year is on its way. So how about welcoming this New Year with some delicious food. So today I'll be demonstrating chicken roast recipe. It's very simple and you can try it out for this New Year's Eve and I'm sure your guests will be really impressed. So let's begin. Take a 1 kg of whole chicken with skin, remove out all the offals and wash it nicely and keep it aside. Take all the Italian herbs that includes oregano, thyme, rosemary and basil leaves and chop them finely. If you don't get fresh herbs, you all can also use dry herbs as well. Take a clean bowl and add a ginger garlic paste in it, red chili powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and all the finely chopped Italian herbs, and mix well to make a nice marinade. Take the whole chicken and rub salt all over it. Then take the marinade and apply it inside and outside the chicken. Then tie the joints of the chicken with a butcher's string just to keep it intact. Roughly chop all the root vegetables, which includes onion, garlic, carrots and leeks, and this will act as a bed for our roast chicken. Put all the roughly chopped vegetable in the roasting tray and drizzle olive oil over it. And here's the chicken which I had marinated with the masala, and I had covered it with the aluminium foil and I had kept it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And now I'm placing it over the bed of root vegetables. Finally, the chicken is ready and I have roasted it at a temperature of 230 degrees Celsius for 1 hour 15 minutes, and it's looking delicious and juicy. Now I will make the sauce from the juices which are oozed out from the chicken. So transfer all the liquid in the pan along with the vegetables. Add water or stock just to get a good quantity of sauce. Add refined flour and cook it till you get a nice sauce consistency. Strain this mixture through a sieve or colander and keep that sauce aside. Nicely cut the chicken and serve with the sauce which we made from the meat drippings. Next, I'll be making a side dish for the chicken, and that is roast potatoes. Wash and cut the potatoes into big chunks with skin. Finely chop coriander leaves or parsley. Drizzle some olive oil on the tray. Add all the potatoes on the tray. Add salt, black pepper powder, olive oil and chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Roast the potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes till they are soft. If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm wishing all of you all happy new year. Stay healthy and be safe. Thank you.